Write the coordinates of the circumcenter of a triangle whose centroid and orthocenter are at 3, 3 and -3, 5 respectively. Given centroid of triangle, centroid of a triangle, say ABC, is 3, 3 and orthocenter let us consider O of the same triangle ABC is -3, 5 and let the circumcenter be, let the circumcenter of triangle ABC be C, say alpha, beta, and since we know that centroid of a triangle divides the line joining orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. In the ratio 2:1, or you can just remember orthocenter is O and centroid is G and circumcenter is C. The centroid is dividing orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1 as by taking n here. N is a point ONGC, you can remember. So OG is divided into two parts. Here two parts and GC is one part. So centroid is dividing orthocenter and circumcenter in 2:1 ratio, where n is also represent the 9-point center. Okay, now let us see this. Let's find, and here orthocenter is given. Orthocenter is -3, 5 and centroid is given 3, 3 and let us given circumcenter be alpha, beta. So let us solve this. So we have 3, 3 by using the section formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, which is a formula for centroid. So 3, 3 is equal to mx2. So m is equal to 2. So 2 times of alpha, 2 into alpha plus 1 times of -3 upon m plus n, 2 times of beta plus 1 times of 5 upon m plus n, that is 2 plus 1. So we have 3, 3 is equal to 2 alpha minus 3 upon 3, 2 beta plus 5 upon 3. So we have 2 alpha minus 3 upon 3 is equal to 3 and 2 beta plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 3. 2 alpha minus 3 is equal to 3 3s are 9. 2 alpha is equal to 9 plus 3. So alpha is equal to 12 upon 2. So alpha is equal to 6. And here 2 beta plus 5 is equal to 3 3s are 9. And 2 beta is equal to 9 minus 5. So beta is equal, 2 beta is equal to 4, or beta is equal to 4 upon 2. So which is equal to 2. Therefore circumcenter alpha, beta, circumcenter C alpha, beta is equal to 6, 2. So 6, 2 is the answer, right? Please like, share, subscribe and support us. Thank you.